Now there is one file called valve class name, right? You have to comment it out. This is responsible for this 403 error because your manager, right, GUI manager, to comment out you have to put the symbol backslash then exclamation mark followed by your two dash. I hope this work, and you have to close it here also. Close the comment here, and it will be two slashes and greater than sign. So this way I think we have commented out this value which says your this machine's ID. So let's save this file. We have to go to one more file. Where is that? We have to go here. So cd, we can just do vi directly. Vi, and do the same thing here for valve class name. Shift insert for your insert and place this guy here. Dash dash. This is commented. Now at the end, go here and this got commented out. Cool. And save this file. Now you have to, I think, restart your Tomcat because this will not work. I feel this worked actually. Now it is prompting you for username and password, but we have not set username and password. So how you will log in? Now, if you go here to your conf file, you will see a field for your username and password to connect to your Tomcat. Not exactly here inside your Tomcat. If you go here to your conf file only, there will be something called Tomcat users.xml. Go here and click this. You'll find some fields for your. So if you find this note, the sample user and role entries below are intended for the use with the example with web application. So this is the role Tomcat, and it has been given this role, and the username is Tomcat, the password, whatever you want to do, and the roles, whatever you want to do. So these are the blank fields. What we have to do now, you have to create a role, and then you can just mention. So password, I mean, our group is same, Tomcat only. Our username is same. So what I will do, I will just go here, and I have just did this, like creation of role name and all, so that there won't be any issue. So what I did, this is the role name, and the role name is manager GUI because this is your graphics use interface for your Tomcat. Inside this is the manager script. Once you will be able to learn Tomcat, you will get to know this is the manager script, and this value I have made this admin and all those changes. So what I will do, I will copy and I will paste this guy somewhere here. So in between your Tomcat user here and your role name, you have to, this is the Tomcat user, and this is what you have, the default one. You have to copy these things. There will be some space. Let me fix the space issue. Well, I have removed the space, and now I will copy all those things to your user XML file. If you are not sure how to create all those things and how to use your role name and how to create script for this, don't worry anything about it. I will be providing you the details with these things. You can just simply use this script and you can just put in your file. So this is the basic thing. This is manager script, this is manager UI role name, and this is the thing what you can mention by. These are the basic ones, so don't worry about it. Everywhere you have to use this thing. Only change what you can do, you can just change the username and the password. That's it. And whatever changes you are making on the username, make sure while deploying or anything, while selecting your role, like this is for manager UI, this is for deployer and all, you have to mention the same username and password. But still, if you don't find it, you have to actually go to your that same script and copy that. So let me go here and paste this. So this has been successfully pasted. Now save this file. What you have to do now, you have to just refresh the page here. Not sure whether this will allow us to log in or not because I have not restarted. So let me use this admin and see if it works. So while entering your admin, it actually went inside, and now you can see your server status and everything you can see here, JVM status and all this. So we have configured your Tomcat and we have set up everything for it. You don't need to worry about it. So our installation is and setup is ready. What we have to do it now, we have to go to your Jenkins and get your plugins installed for your Ansible and get our script ready for build and deploy.